Okay, now you know I like this, right? Got a nice spot right here. Trying out the ND8 today on the GoPro. And this is the GoPro Hero 12. Still waiting for the 14, you know. I like that cover right here. It's warm out here now. I can tell you that for sure. A lot of stuff out here to explore, but it changed a whole lot from past years. You might see the buzzard over there. If we get the buzzard in my frame, that would be cool. I like how the clouds are turning up on this lens now. Sure, it's beautiful out here. There's a lot of art up there. I'm not gonna go now. Check that out there. If there's one monument out here that's blessed, sure is this one. See that? That's where the ferry is at. You can cross, you see it over there. You can take the bike, car, by foot, anything, not anything you like, but you can get across the water, the river.